If somebody believes something else to what you believe, and you call him a kafir or a deviant, well, he believes what he's saying he believes. Shouldn't it be you who tries to convince him? And if you can't convince him, why does it have to be it's because of his deviance, because of the evil inside him? That's why he's not accepting what I'm preaching. He's a shaitan. Why don't you put it on yourself? Why don't you say, the proofs I used aren't sufficient enough? I haven't been able to convince this person. Ya Allah, give me the strength to try and convince him. Give me the arguments that will convince this person. Make the truth manifest from my words. And may Allah bless him and guide him to the truth. This is what needs to be done. When you go around claiming that what you're preaching is correct, and it's the decisive proof, and that this person that's rejecting it, there's some evil involved, there's some ulterior motive. How can we get anywhere with this type of attitude? Is this what the Quran actually preaches? I want you to think about this. Because what we see today is you get all these bullies. It's a bully tactic where you try to force somebody to believe something that you believe. And if he doesn't accept it, he's a deviant. He's a kafir, zindiq. You're supposed to accept what I say. If you don't believe it, that's it. You're out of the fold of Islam. If this is our attitude when we're trying to convince others, may Allah help us. What's easy to do is just to label people. This person's a deviant. He's a this, he's a that. And then you just stop the discussion. He's an innovator. We don't speak to innovators. Like that's just a way to stop any discussion and not to challenge your own ideas. That's what's happened through history. We can't even discuss things and to challenge our own views. So it's very unfortunate, subhanAllah. May Allah, allow us to see the truth, and not my truth or your truth or that person's truth, the truth. Because many times when we think we have the truth, we don't have the truth. We need to investigate these things. If we care about finding the truth, we have to investigate. We have to question. It's very easy to just follow what everybody else is following. That's easy to do. Without questioning, just go with the flow and things will be okay. If you find somebody challenging your views, you start speaking out against him. Oh, this guy's a deviant. A'udhu billah. You do everything under the sun to show that this person's a deviant without even discussing the actual arguments. That's what's happening, unfortunately. People don't want to discuss. They want to label others. Now, as I've mentioned, I don't believe in the second coming of Isa Islam, and I've got this series, so I do advise you to listen to the arguments. There's no conclusive proof in the Quran that Isa alayhi salam will come back. It's all interpretation. So it's conjecture in reality. So you can't force somebody who doesn't believe it to believe in it. He has to believe in it. You can't force them. You can't even call them deviants, because the onus is on you to show that actually it's definitive, that he's going to come back. What I've shown in this series is that he's not going to come back. I've given my proofs. If that's what I believe, how can you force me to believe something that I don't believe?